Hello student. Today's topic is circle and parts of circle. First, describe definition of circle. A circle is a rounded shaped figure that has no corners or edges in geometry. Circle can be defined as closed two-dimensional curve shape. I have one question. Why is a circle a special shape? After I study, I get this answer. Because of its symmetry, the circle is considered as perfect shape. It is the symbol for the total symmetry of the divine. The Greek scholar Proclus writes the circle is the first, simplest and most perfect form. Then next question. Why are circles so important? And answer is because of their symmetry, circles were seen as a representation of the divine and natural balance in ancient Greece. Euclidean says another definition for circle. A circle is a plane figure bounded by one curved line and such that all straight lines drawn from the certain point within it to the bounding line are equal. The bounding line is called circumference and the point is its center. These are some ways to describe the definition of circle. In the given slide, show a figure of circle. A black color circle which is measured by its circumference means the black circle is denoted as the circumference of circle. O is the center of circle and another name of center is magneta. Red color line segment is denoted as the radius of the circle. Blue color line segment is denoted as the diameter of the circle. Means in the given figure, radius, diameter and center are the parts of circle. Some other parts of circle we see in the next slide. Parts of circle: center, radius, diameter, chord, arc, sector, segment, scant and tangent are the some parts of circle. First we see center of the circle in the next slide. A circle is a shape consisting of all points in a plane that are at a given distance from a given point, the center. Equivalently, it is the curve traced out of by a point that moves in a plane so that its distance from a given point is constant. Next, radius. The distance between any point of the circle and the center is called the radius of the circle. It is denoted as small r or capital R. Next, diameter. A line segment whose end points lie on the circle and that passes through the center called as a diameter of the circle. It is denoted as a capital D. Next point, relation between radius and diameter. Diameter is a twice of radius and radius is a half of diameter. We write in formula D equal to 2 into radius and R equal to 1 upon 2 multiply diameter. Next, chord. A line segment whose end points lie on the circle, thus dividing a circle into two segments called as a chord of the circle. Next, arc. Any connected part of the circle specifying two endpoints of an arc and center allows for two arcs that together make up a full circle called as a arc of a circle. Next, sector. A region bounded by two radii and equal length with a common center and either of the two possibilities arc determined by this center and endpoints of the radii. Next point, segment. A region bounded by a chord and one of the arc connecting the chord's endpoints. Sometimes the term segment is used only for the regions not containing the center of the circle. to which their arc belongs to. Next point, scan. An extended chord, a coplanar straight line intersecting a circle into 2 points. Next, tangent. A coplanar straight line that has one single point in common with a circle. Next point, semicircle. It is also called as a half circle. One of the two possible arcs determined by the endpoints of a diameter taking its midpoint as a center called as a semicircle. A semicircle has two sides. One side is curved and other side is straight. They have two corners. Next point, circumference of circle. The length of one circuit along the circle or distance around the circle called as the circumference of circle. The formula for circumference of circle is C equal to 2 pi r. The value of pi is 3.14, which is fixed value. The value of pi write in another way 22/7. By using this sum information, we can solve some examples show in the next slide. Question number 1. Choose the correct radius of the circle whose diameter is 14 cm. Here in this question we have value of diameter is 14 cm. We find the value of radius and we know the formula. Diameter is twice of radius and radius is a half of diameter. Means the half of diameter of 14 cm is 7 cm. Therefore, option number 2 is the correct answer for the question number 1. Next question. What is the diameter of the circle whose radius is 9 cm? In the given example, we have value of radius is 9 cm. We find the value of diameter. We have formula. Diameter is a twice of radius, means the twice of radius of 9 cm is 18 cm. Therefore, option number 3 is the correct answer. Some interesting fact about circle as shown in the next slide. Read and enjoy. Bye.